Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to use Gemini and Google Assistant on your LENOVO IdeaPad Slim 3 Chromebook. The Gemini is available right on the shelf of your computer, so you can open it right from here and start a conversation with your Gemini. Now, as for the Google Assistant, we have to make sure that some settings are enabled in order to use its full potential. Now, to make sure of that, we have to open the control center. To open the control center, click the clock icon in the bottom right corner of the screen, then click the gear icon. To open settings, go to System Preferences on the sidebar, scroll a bit down, and find Use Google AI to get help reading, writing, and creating. And just switch this toggle to the right, as well as the following three toggles. Now, if we open our browser and enter some page, and we'll be able to right click it and summarize text, for example, or help us read something, define words, and yeah, we can also select some text we have on any website, right click and summarize it or simplify it. So yeah, if you want to access Google AI in any place of your computer, simply right click and see which of its functions are available to you in this particular context, or just enter the Gemini AI which is available right on your shelf. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.